Hello students, once again I am here with you, and today I am going to explain you the questions of the exercise D and E of chapter 1, that is my body. Okay, so everyone will listen carefully and you will note down in a notebook. So first question is, what is breathing? So we will write, all living things take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This process is called breathing. I am repeating it again. All living things take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This process is called what? Breathing. Okay. Second question is how are four limbs connected to the spine? So what will you write? The four limbs are connected to the spine by the shoulder girdle and collar bone. What? The four limbs are connected to the spine by the shoulder girdles and collar bones. Okay, now third question is, state the importance of the rib cage in our body. So the answer is, the rib cage protects the delicate organs like the heart and the lungs. What? It protects the delicate organs like heart and the lung. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Name the main parts of the skeletal system. So you will write, the main parts of the skeletal system are: number 1 skull, number 2 backbone, number 3 rib cage, number 4 limbs. Okay, so first is the skull, second backbone, third rib cage, and fourth limbs. Okay, so this is the question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, answer of the question 1, 2, 3, 4 of exercise D. Now come to the question 5. See, the question 5 is the, state the role of inner ear in the process of hearing. So you will write the outer, see, so you will write the outer ear directs the sound waves, okay, in waves to the inner ear. Okay, the middle ear has an eardrum and the 3 small bones which convey the vibration from the eardrum to the inner ear, and we can hear. Okay, in this way the inner ear help us to hear. So this is the question of answer of the question 5. Okay, now come to the question number 6. How does a snake detect the presence of enemy or a prey? This is very easy. The snake feels the different kinds of vibrations on the earth through its skin, and this helps it to detect the presence of an enemy or a prey. Okay, so this is the question answer of exercise D of chapter My Body. Now I am moving to the exercise E. Okay, exercise E 1, question number 1. Why do bones have joints? So you will write, bones have joints for the movement of bones in different ways. Okay, now second is the, why is our backbone made up of many small vertebrae instead of having one straight long bone? You will write, our backbone is made up of many small vertebrae instead of having one straight long bone to give flexibility to our back. Okay, now the question number 3. Why is bone marrow known as the factory for making blood cells? You will write, bone marrow is known as the factory for making blood cells because blood cells are manufactured inside the bone marrow, and this is very important question. Okay, now the question number 4 is, how does a ball and socket joint work? In ball and socket joint, one bone which has a ball like end fits into the hollow socket of another bone. In this way the joints allow the movement of the bone. Okay, so this is the question answer of exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come to the question number 5. Dogs and bats are also mammals like we. How does our sense of smell compare with that of dog and our sense of hearing with that of a bat? Okay, see how dogs have a highly developed sense of smell than us, and bats have a special power to hear high pitched sound which help bats to detect their prey even in the dark. Okay, again going to repeat, dogs have a highly developed sense of smell than us, and bats have a special power to hear high pitched sounds which help bats to detect their prey even in the dark. Okay, now the question number 6 is, do you breathe even when you are sleeping? Give reason for your answer. Your answer is yes, we breathe even when we are sleeping. If the process of breathing stops for more than 2 minutes, we can die. Okay, so these are the answer of the question D and E of chapter My Body. Okay, so that's all for today. You will learn and write in your notebook. I hope no problem is there. Okay, thank you.